Say goodbye to the bad smell in your home with only 2 ingredients to start today's tip. In a bottle of spray bottle, I will put a funnel and then add 200 milliliters of water. Next, I will also add the main item of this tip, which is the fabric softener. Just adding 100 milliliters, it will bring the smell of clean home back to your home. Remember that you can use the one of your preference. The item that will make it easier to spread the smell around your home is alcohol. And in this tip, we will use only 100 milliliters. Only with these ingredients, you will be able to bring a great aroma back to your home. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Ravi Bell from Sri Lanka. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Just with these ingredients, applying this mixture directly on a cloth, I can do the cleaning of all my furniture. You will surely thank me. I never spend money buying all the cleaning products I used before. Only with this mixture, it comes out cheaper and the result is amazing. Only with a small amount of this product, applying in the right places, I can always receive visitors for being always prepared, and with the house clean and smelling good. If you prefer, you can also use different fabric softeners for each room. Because it is a simple tip and very easy to make, you can repeat the mixture. Tell me what you think of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. Yeah.